Write an equation to represent the following statement. The sum of j and 47 is 55. Okay, so j plus 47 equals 55. This is the sum of j and 47, and it equals 55. Solve for j. Okay, so we need to subtract 47 from both sides of the equation, and on the left hand side we are left with j, and on the right hand side of the equation we need to subtract 47 from 55, which means j equals 8. And now we need to verify it, so we need to plug in 8 instead of j. So 8 plus 47, 8 plus 47 is 55. Okay, so it's good. Okay, so the equation is j plus 47 equals 55 and j equals 8. Write an equation to represent the following statement. 60 is 5 times as great as k. Okay, so 5 times as great as k is 5 times k, or simply 5k, and 60 equals that. So the equation is 60 equals 5k. Okay, now we need to isolate the k, so we need to divide both sides of the equation by 5. So on the right hand side we are left with k, and on the left hand side we need to divide 60 by 5, which means the left hand side is 12 and the right hand side is k. So k equals 12, and now to verify I plug in 12 instead of k, which means we need to multiply 5 times 12, and 5 times 12 is indeed 60. Okay. So 60 equals 5k and k equals 12. Write an equation to represent the following statement. 51 divided by 3 is k. Okay, so 51 divided by 3 equals k. Now to solve for k, we just need to divide the 51 by 3. So 51 divided by 3. 3 goes into 5, 1 times 3 is 3, 5 minus 3 is 2. We bring down the 1, 3 goes into 21 7 times, so 7 times 3 is 21, no remainder. So this is the question. So the left hand side is 17, the right hand side is k, so k is 17, and that's it. So 51 divided by 3 equals k, and k equals 17. Write an equation to represent the following statement. 10 less than j is 35. Okay, so 10 less than j, it means that we start with j and then we subtract 10. So now we have an expression that means 10 less than j. And that is equal 35. So that is the equation. And to solve for j, we need to add 10 to both sides of the equation. So on the left-hand side, we are left with j. And on the right-hand side, we need to add 10 to 35, which means j equals 45. Now, if I plug in 45 instead of j, 45 minus 10 is indeed 35. Okay. So the equation is j minus 10 equals 35. J minus 10 equals 45, and j equals 45. Okay, so in the next video I will do this practice, model with one-step equations. So I will see you in the next video.